Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the last 3 lines on page 35, continue with lesson 30. So now, okay, let's begin. So 2 sections here on this first line. So wa, ta, waw alif stretch. Wa, ta, wa, sad will join to the waw sakin. So, make sure you read it full mouth. So, ta, wa, so, the ba will join to the sad. Bis, make sure you read the sad full mouth again. وَتَوَاصَوْا bis. Now the second sod will join to the ba, sob. وَتَوَاصَوْا bis-sabri. But here you'll make the ra into a sakin when you stop. Rule number 1. وَتَوَاصَوْا bis-sabr. So just a like a r vibrating sound at the end. وَتَوَاصَوْا bis-sabr. Okay, so that's done. So keep practicing this one. Once you're ready, move on to the next section. So the ha, here the ha will join to the ta. Make sure it's pronounced as a big ha in the middle of the throat. Hat. And then the ta standing fatha. Ta, hat, ta. Then the meme will join to the ta. Mato. Full mouth. Mato. Hatta mato. La. Hatta mato la. The ain will join to the lam over here. Il, mato, la'il, hatta mato, la'il. Then the fa will join to the jim. Faj, hatta mato, la'il, fajri. But then you make this into a sakin. Hatta mato, la'il, fajr. Again, so listen to how I say the stopping sound. Fajr. حتى مطلع الفجر. So that's the first line done. So these two are quite difficult, so keep on practicing. Once you're ready, move on to the next line. Now here, this line should be a lot easier. First section is over here. A, ba, aba. Then the ba kasra, stretched by ya sakin. B, aba, b. So make sure you stretch both of them. La. And then rule number 1, make a sakin. Ababil. Okay, that's that done. Second section. The ta will join to the ra. Tar. Mim. Mim kasra will be stretched by ya sakin. Mi. Tar mi. Ha will join to the mim. Him. Tar mi him. And that's the pause. Next word. The hamza will join to the fa. Af. Waw alif, wa, af, wa, jim has a double fatha, jan. But rule number 2, you'll drop one fatha and you'll stretch it. Ja, af, wa, ja. And now the last section. Fa, fatha. Then the sin will join to the ba as it has a shadda. Sab, fa, sab. Now the second ba will join to the ha. Make sure you pronounce the ha from the middle of the throat. Bih, fasabbih. Okay, so now that line is done. So once you keep practicing, once you're ready, move on to the last line. So now here, the waw will join to the lam, wal. When you're connecting, you ignore the alifs in between. Wal. Then the fa will join to the jim, faj, wal faj. Then the ra, kasra, ri. But when you, rule number 1, you change it into sakin. Wal fajr, wal fajr. Next section here. So it's very short word. Wa, la, wala, ya, wala, ya, lin. Rule number 1, make it the double kasra into a sakin. Wala yal. Easy. Just making sure you stretch the ya because of the alif. Now the last one on this page. The ya will join to the waw sakin. Yaw. Ma, yawma, I, yawma, I. Now this is dhal with a double kasra will join to the waw. Dhiw, yawma, idhiw. Then the idgham naqis here, so it makes a slight ghunna sound. Yawma, idhiw, which we've learned before. Then the waw alif, the second waw. Wa, yawma, idhiw, wa, ji. يومئذ واجفة يومئذ واجفتun. But then rule number 3, you change the round ta into a ha sakin. يومئذ واجفة. Okay, now these 3 lines are done. So pause the video and keep practicing these lines until it's perfect.